Alright guys, so this is one of my post-workout meals. It's a burrito. Start with your tortilla, add some seasoned ground beef, some taco cheese, tomatoes, peppers, serrano peppers, I like it hot, with some romaine lettuce. And Greek yogurt is a good addition instead of sour cream because it adds a ton more protein, so good for muscle building. Gorgeousness. It tasted and looked even better in person. You guys will have to try it out. Let me know what your post-workout meal is. Burrito is actually, when you make it homemade, you can control everything. It's actually pretty healthy. At least mine was. So take another bite. It. Try it out, guys.